Hi, I'm Daniel from the Blockhead Boys, back with another razor repair. I wish I could say that this was all my dad's fault, but it turns out this is all my handiwork. We could probably push these A-arms a little farther, but as you can see, the paint's coming off. So we have to replace those. As I always say, why ride if you're not also looking good?
Hi, I'm Nate the Tool Guy. You're gonna need some basic hand tools. I'm gonna show you a few particular ones. A cotter pin puller will come in handy. Also an aluminum drift to punch out the pivot bolts. And some Teflon tape to wrap around the Zerx fittings threads. And this tool is for greasing the wheel bearings. You never just wanna trust a jack. That's why you jack stands.
Yeah. We love these gremlins.
Oh no, we love them.
You gotta remove these broken ball joints right here. So you just need to unscrew this part. Take the nut off, screw out the bolt, and try pull this out. Just to tell you, there's a warning that you will get grease on your hands.
After we destroyed the original A-arms on our razor, we decided to get better ones from Super ATV. They're made from chromoly steel, so they're stronger. The ball joints are 3 times stronger than the original. They're also threaded, so you can replace them without having to be pressed in. There's Zerx fittings all over, adding 10 extra points where you can grease your pivots, and they give 2 inches more ground clearance. These A-arms are half as expensive as the Polaris parts, and the best thing is, they have a lifetime warranty. When you put these Zerx fittings on, you're going to want to put the straight ones on the black pieces, and the 90-degree fitting goes on the upper A-arm. Remember to put a lot of Teflon tape around those Zerx fittings, otherwise they'll leak when you try to squeeze grease into them.
The new parts come with these spacers, but there's no instructions of where to put them. This goes in here behind the boot on the rack. There's a zip tie on the inner end of this boot, and you have to cut it off. Then you just gotta put the boot back on with a new zip tie. You can use an alignment pin to get the bolt holes all lined up, as you can see.
Turns out we had to replace the axle too. We went with the Rhino 2.0, and you can see it's a little bit beefier than the original. It had great reviews, and it was less expensive. Again.
A lot of guys like to use anti-seize lube on these splines, but I prefer to use molly grease instead. Take the new axle and line the splines up. Then you're just gonna tap it on in with a dead blow hammer. Don't forget to lube this end up. Then you're gonna put it into the hub and align the ball joint pins. And get straight.
One end to move it. See? There. This way?
Do you have hemorrhoids? That's good. Pull it.
No. There.
Don't forget to attach your brake line to your A-arms with these handy dandy little clamps. These two washers, make sure you have the concave side facing in. Always torque to spec. Fortunately, since I've been doing this so long, I have a calibrated elbow. Always use a new cotter pin.
Time to grease his puppy up.
Pew pew.
Oh.
After we showed our dad how to do it, we had him do the other side. It takes him a lot longer, but he's learning valuable life skills. And it gets him away from the video games for a while.
There we go.
Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe.
Good job, man.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Once, my grandmother did not subscribe, and the fleas of 1,000 donkeys infested her armpits. Please subscribe today, and I guarantee that will never happen to you. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will release our dad.